Hello everyone! So, dito na tayo sa Victory. And pupunta tayo sa Baguio. Against all odds. Lol. Wait lang. Ayan. So, kakatapos ko lang guys magpa-antivirus kasi isa siya sa requirement. Ngayon, since galing akong level 3 and nag-require sila ng antigen test for at least 24 hours and rapid test for at least 72 hours. So, dito siya ginanap guys. Sundan ako sinap sa amin and it costs 600 pesos. So, hello guys, nakuha ko na yung result ng aking antigen test and it's negative. Nag-overthink ako, akala ko hindi, ganyan magiging result. So, uuwi ako ng luhaan, tapos sobrang bigat ng bag ko, and syempre nakakalungkot yun. And here, hello guys, so time check. Wala pala ako nalo. Basta 11 something pa lang. And yung oras ng biyahe ko is 1 p.m. So medyo matagal-tagal pa yung hintayin ko. But it's okay. At least I'm settled. Okay na yung mga requirements. And medyo na-hassle pa ako kasi kailangan printed yung ticket mo dito sa Victory. Kala kasi pwedeng i-present lang siya. So, dapat printed. So, naghanap pa ako ng paprintan and yung mga establishments na katabi dito is mga close sila. So, ayan. Be ready na lang eh. In case you're gonna travel during this time of level 3 on our area. Yun muna for now. Let's save the battery. Stop over. Hey guys, so finally we arrived at Hotel Fort. pala yung hotel kanina. 456 pala yung binook ko. Ayan. Akala ko hotel 45. Nag-taxi na ako. 456 kasi, hindi 45. Happy. Guys, ang ganda dito. So, let's go to my room. Oopsie. It's 2 to 8. Oh my gosh. Hi everyone! So finally, we're here at our hotel accommodation. So, mali pala. Yung pinuntahan ko, Hotel 45, pero Hotel 456 pala yung binook ko. So, ang stupid ko doon. But, at least nandito na ako. Sobrang tahimik ng lugar. And, room tour tayo. Let's go. So, this is my home for today's. We have here a big cabinet that I can place my damit. There's an electric fan and a vault. So later na ako mag-aayos. Of course, here's my kama, my outlet, katabi, and then I have this electric kettle, my 2 waters, and of course, coffee. Ayan, may dalawang tsinelas. Suot ko na yung isa. Mag-isa lang naman ako. So, here is the bathroom. So, I'm not quite sure. Ayan. Para naman sigurong heater yan. And, towels. Ayan, so I look so tired. Yun lang. Hey guys, nagutom tayo. And wala nang food dito sa hotel. So, nag-order tayo sa Food Panda ng sandwich. Nakakatawa, may sila lettuce. Mga na-orderin ko kasi sa bahay. Ito lang, meal lang talaga. Ayan, so, yung isa na lang side dish is toge talaga siya. Pero naglagay akong special instructions na kung pwedeng palitan ng kimchi na lang din. Kasi hindi ko yun masyado bet. So, let's eat guys.